I'll guide you through how to log out of Netflix on TV or other streaming devices the easy way. If you're looking to switch to a different Netflix profile or you want to completely log out of the service and so you need to sign out of Netflix on your TV, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with the easy way by using the Get Help menu. Open the Netflix app on your smart TV and go to the main menu. Once you're in the app, use your remote to navigate to the far left of the screen. This will open the main sidebar menu. Scroll down to the bottom and select Get Help. The option to log out isn't on the main menu, which can be confusing. You'll find it hidden within the Get Help or Settings section. At the very bottom of the Help or Settings menu, choose Sign Out or Log Out. It's designed to be a final step, so it's located away from the primary navigation. A confirmation screen will pop up to make sure you really want to log out. Confirm your selection, and you'll be taken back to the main Netflix sign-in screen. If the standard method doesn't work, here's a secret trick that you can employ to sign out of Netflix on smart TV or other tricky streaming devices. On the Netflix home screen, enter a special code by using your remote. Press the following arrows in this specific order: up, up, down, down, left, right, up, 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 up. This key sequence is a universal command that opens a hidden debug menu. This menu will give you the option to completely reset the Netflix app on your TV or device, which will force a full logout. This is a powerful tool to use when all else fails. Now that you've learned how to log out of Netflix on your TV, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Netflix and other streaming video tutorials. Thanks for watching.